Financial freedom, yeah, that's the goal. Invest your time, invest your soul. Save it, stack it, watch it grow. Generational wealth, Coach Flow.
I want to welcome everyone back to another episode of Generation Investors Podcast. And today we're talking about retirement. We are talking about this account that I recently opened up, and I want you to consider yourself by the end of this episode to think about open up. It's called a Roth, ROTH. That's this account. I'm gonna share with you what it is, how does it work, and what do you need to do to contribute to this account. Okay, so I'm gonna share with you all this information. So if you got a pen, if you got a pad, you might want to get this information down, because this right here is how wealthy people get wealthier. This is how millionaires become millionaires or billionaires. Okay, this is where you can become that next millionaire, billionaire. Okay, and if you stay tuned towards the end, you know I gotta leave you with some heat. You know I gotta leave you with some inspiration, some motivation, because that's what we all need in times like this. So the first thing I want to ask you, you say, Coach, what is a Roth? What is a Roth? I'm glad you asked, because it's an individual retirement account that you fund with after tax dollars. So we're talking about tax-free account that you can open up. I got mine with Fidelity, but you can get yours with Fidelity. You can get yours with E-Trade. You can get yours with Vanguard. You can get yours with Robinhood. Just you got to go ahead and do your research. You can get yours with SoFi. So Roth accounts, you can get them with any platform. Okay, you can get them with even these banks. Okay, traditional banks, the Bank of America, the Chase, all that. So you gotta just do your research. What Roth is going to benefit you and your family. Okay, that's something to think about. So how this is going to help you and your family, or put you in a better space, because everybody's situation is different. I'll say it again, everybody's situation is different. There's not no one size that fits all. Now, with these Roths, okay, you have different types of ways that you can make more money. You can stay diversified. It's just so many different ways that you can go about a Roth. So that's something to consider. The second thing, how does a Roth actually works? Okay, so that's the second question you might be asking. How does a Roth IRA works? Glad you asked. Okay, so you got tax savings. Okay, any investment growth in a Roth is tax-free, with tax-free withdrawals in retirement. So typically retirement age is about 59 or so. With this particular account, if any, or when I should say, emergency happens, you can pull your money out of this account and not get taxed or get penalized. That's different from a traditional IRA. That is definitely a plus. Another thing, access to your contributions. Any amount you add to your Roth can be withdrawn without tax penalties anytime for any reason. I just said that. Okay, so the IRA, you will get taxed on a traditional retirement account, but Roth IRA, if any reason you need to pull some money out, you can take that money out and do what you need to do, whether you need to pay off a bill, whether you need to do repairments on your car, repairments on your house, anything that you need that money for, you can take it out and just replenish. All right, rinse and repeat, and just keep on adding money to the Roth. And then let's talk about numerous ways to invest. Okay, numerous ways. Like I said, there's so many ways you can make this money compound over time. All right, so whether you invest in your own or have, like I said, for me, I have Fidelity, but any money manager or advisor, you can have them do it for you. You can choose stocks, you can choose ETFs. Okay, for me, I just want to go with ETF. Okay, that's my 10 to 15, 20, 25 year game plan. Now, I might eventually add an individual stock here and there to my Roth, but overall, my Roth is going to be just ETF based. And what ETF you asked? I'm glad you asked, because we talking about SPMO. I'm buying I'm buying SPMO for the long haul. That's my, like, when I say for those who looking to start investing, like new investors or those who want to get their feet wet, get you some ETFs. And what ETF you ask? SPMO. Now you can get VOO, you can get VTI, you can get QQQ. It don't even matter, okay? But in my own opinion, this is not financial advice. This is financial education. SPMO is the way to go, okay? And for those who is not as risky, the ETFs I believe that's the way to really get into the stock market. That's the way to get into an investing game, is get you some ETFs, specifically one or two, it don't matter, but depending on whatever your financial situation is, the ETF, and just put money in it. Just keep putting money in it. Just keep putting money in it. Build, okay? So whatever you can afford, whether that's $20, $50, $75, $100, $200, $500, $1,000, open your Roth today, okay? Open your Roth today and fund the account, and then purchase you an ETF and just throw that mug in there. So every time you get paid, just throw $100 in there, throw $200 in there, throw whatever you can afford, just throw it in there and just rinse and repeat, and watch you, especially if you are one of these younger viewers, you're my younger subscribers, this is definitely a millionaire blueprint for you. You 18 to like 25, you set you up a Roth starting today, I promise you the next 10 to 15 years, you can be like, man, I'm glad Coach Flo told me to start opening that Roth and just keep building. I'm telling you. This is just that you want the secret sauce, the Roth. This is that secret sauce. This is that thing that I was going to actually wait till like 2027, but I said, you know what? I'm not even going to wait. I mean, life is not promised and tomorrow's not promised. Start doing this today. Don't delay. Get off the sidelines, stop watching people make money, and get into the game. All right, so how do I contribute? Hey, contribute through earn income, okay, such as your job, side hustle. Just keep on contributing, okay? That's the key. You got to keep doing it. Don't just do it one time. You got to do it multiple times. I mean, we're talking about building up good habits. This is a good financial habit, okay? If you got a 401k, you can roll over or conversion from your existing IRA or any other type of retirement plan. You can put that into a Roth. The max out limit is $7,500. Okay, so even if you don't max out this year, you can plan to max out next year or plan out maxing the next 2 years. Either way, just put money in it, build it up over time, and you will be surprised. All right, they say there is no cap on rollovers or conversions. So this, if you're looking for the secret sauce, this one right here is a cheat code, and I'm glad to take part of this. And hopefully, let me know in the comments, have you heard of a Roth? Are you going to open a Roth? Okay, so let me know in the comments, are you going to open one? Because definitely this is a secret sauce. And if you stay tuned towards this portion, let's talk about the power of the algorithm. The power of the algorithm. The thing about the algorithm, because everything is so data researched and everything's so data collected. If you're wondering why you keep seeing something, whether that's on Instagram, whether that's on Facebook, whether that's on TikTok, whether that's on X, they call it, check your algorithm. And when I mean the algorithm, what are you feeding your algorithm? That's what I want you to think about. If you keep seeing something or hearing something, it's a reason why you keep hearing it or seeing it, because the more you feed something, you're going to keep on, it's going to continue to just multiply. So what are you feeding your algorithm? And that can be good or bad. So think about, what are you feeding your algorithm? Because that really has an effect on our psyche. That really has an effect on our mental. So if you feeding your algorithm trash, meaning that you're around negativity, if you're around any type of jealousy, you're around chaotic, dysfunctional people, places, you got to check your algorithm. Or if you feeding your algorithm positive, wholesome things that's going to build you up, things that's higher frequency. That is something to really think about. What are you feeding the algorithm? Let's talk about using discernment, okay? Not only what you feed your algorithm, we got to start using discernment. Using discernment when it comes to relationships. Using discernment when it comes to what career path to take. Because college ain't for everybody. Now, I'm a college graduate, but I preach and I teach. College ain't for everybody, okay? Look at different skills and trades they have out there. Now, if you want to go off to college, definitely, I implore you, think about what major, what minor, but ultimately, what skill. You're looking for what skill that's going to change you and your family life, okay? That's something to think about. Using discernment on wealth management, risk management, because everybody's situation is different. Everybody. Some people work multiple jobs. Some people work side hustles. Some people have all types of things going on in their life, okay? You gotta maybe take care of your family, take care of a loved one, take care of multiple responsibilities. Everybody is different, okay? So risk management and wealth management, you gotta use discernment, because every investment is not a good investment. And they say all money ain't good money. Gotta use discernment. And then we're talking about thinking of, when I say health is wealth, use discernment on especially what's going on right now with our food and certain outbreaks going on left and right. You got recalls left and right. We got to be really using discernment on what we feed our bodies, what we feed our minds going forward. Because when you think about, we living in some crazy times. And then I want to leave you with looking for opportunities. You got to look for opportunities, okay? Don't blow the scholarship. You got a scholarship or opportunity to get a scholarship, don't blow it. Don't blow internships. You got opportunity to get internships and network with different people. That's going to get you to a place that you always could dream of or you never could imagine yourself getting to. Don't blow it, okay? You're looking for opportunities for promotion. You're looking for opportunities for increase. There is so much opportunities out here. You got conferences, you got workshops, you got seminars. You've got free information on Google. You got free information on YouTube, which you're watching right now. All right. You got free information. You got so much information. You got opportunities for home ownership. For those who looking to get their own home, their first home, you got opportunities out here. Are you really being intentional about pursuing whatever that could look like? Debt free. For those who want to get out of debt, raise your hand if you want to let me know in the comment you want to get out of debt. Hit that thumbs up, because I'm definitely building to get out of credit card debt, and you're looking for any other debt, medical debt. There's just so much information out here which will lead you to ultimately some of the best opportunities out here. Okay, so don't just waste your time on things that is not going to make you better. Don't waste your time on people who's not going to make you better. Don't waste your time on environments that's not going to make you better at the end of the day, because God got a plan for you. He got a plan for you. All right. He has a plan for you. And you might not then are seen a millionaire. You might not have the opportunity to see what debt-free looks like, but you can be the first. That's the thing about it. And I believe God wants you to be the first. First to graduate, first to own your own home, first to get married, first to adventure and travel across the world. That can be you if you tap in, because time is now. So don't let no one tell you what you can or can't do, because it can happen through you. Let me know if you have enjoyed this segment, because I got some more in store, just like God has some more in store for you. See you next one. Peace.
Financial freedom, yeah, that's the goal. Invest your time, invest your soul. Save it, stack it, watch it grow. Generational wealth, coach flow. Financial freedom, let's get control. Build it now so it overflow. Learn the game, that's how we roll. Welcome to the channel, coach flow. We talk money with a mission, yeah, we teach and elevate. budgeting, investing, this is how we generate. Stocks and crypto, real estate, side hustles in rotation, building business.